Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my plus size fashion tips so that you curvy girls out there can always look super stylish. Over the years, I've styled women of all different shapes and sizes, and I've learnt lots of tips and tricks along the way, and today I'm going to share them with you. So if you're a gorgeous curvy girl or you know someone who is, then just keep watching. My first and I think the most important tip is to embrace what you have. So embrace those curves. Quite often I'll see women trying to cover up their curves and swamp themselves in layers of fabric, and all this tends to do is it just accentuates and makes you look bigger. If you do struggle to find clothes to fit, then perhaps you need to find a really good tailor. A small amount of tailoring can make an enormous difference to the way something looks and feels. The other thing I think is really important to remember is don't limit yourself to blacks and neutrals. Okay, blacks and neutrals may be more slimming, but that's so boring. Why should you limit yourself because you are plus size? I've never believed that that is something that you need to do. Unless of course you love blacks and neutrals, well then that's fine, go for it. Wide belts are a curvy girl's best friend. They're brilliant because they nip you in at the narrowest part of your body, and they're also good at hiding excess fabric, so they are a great asset to a curvy girl's wardrobe. Wearing top to toe one colour is always a really flattering option. Now don't limit yourself to black or neutrals. Your favourite colour may be fuchsia or red or whatever it may be, but if you wear that top to toe, it is always super flattering. Patterned pieces are perfect. Now the reason for this is because they confuse your eye. Your eye isn't drawn to any one particular part of your body, so they are the ultimate in illusion dressing. Now it's also important to invest in quality underwear, and I'm not talking shapewear, I'm just talking good quality undergarments that really form a great foundation for any outfit. I also think it's really important to wear what makes you happy. If you're a curvy girl and you love crop tops, wear them. If they make you happy, you're going to exude confidence and feel great about yourself, and if you feel great about yourself, you look good. Another tip is to be really aware of where pieces fall on you. So if you have a top that falls at the widest part of your body, so it may fall right across your hips, well then the eye is going to be drawn to that part of your body. So it accentuates and highlights that part of your body, which is why I always love scooped hemlines for shirts and tops. They work well on everyone. So just be really aware of where things fall on you, and that goes for skirts and pants as well. You don't want anything falling at the widest part of your body. Elasticized jackets are fantastic for curvy girls. Now, I'm not meaning old-fashioned elasticized jackets. There are some really cool options out there. I've seen amazing denim jackets, and they have a panel down the inside of the arm. There's also a lot of really cool stretchy tailored jackets, so pieces that look tailored and that do have shape, but they're in stretchy fabrics. Now, I recommend these for lots and lots of clients that I style, but I think especially for curvy girls because they are super comfortable. You can fit layers underneath them and you still have shape and you look stylish. If you do have a fuller bust, it's really important to steer clear of really high necklines. You do need to balance your proportions a little bit. So what will look more flattering on you is a V neckline or a deepish scoop, just so that you have a little bit of skin showing there. It does create a more even proportion and just sort of balances things out a little bit. It's good to see a little bit of skin. You don't want to cover up completely. When it comes to jackets, jackets with beautiful waterfall lapels are also really flattering. You've probably seen them. I will try and find a couple that I can pop up here on screen so you can see what I'm talking about. But these waterfall jackets are also very flattering. They, again, draw an invisible line down your body and create an illusion of length, which is always flattering. What I think is really important if you are curvy is not to limit yourself and not to think that there are certain styles that you cannot wear. It's about working out how you can wear them to feel good and to look great. Let's take a bodycon dress. Now, you may think that you need the quote-unquote perfect body to wear these dresses. You don't. If you love this look, then make it your own. What I like to do when I've styled some of my curvier clients wearing really fitted dresses like a bodycon dress is to add another layer, and it may just be a denim shirt or a really gorgeous little black sparkly knit cardigan, and tie that around your waist. What it does is it gives a visual cue which detracts the eyes. So if you're wearing something that is really fitted and hugging every single curve, if you add something around your waist, your eye is immediately drawn to that piece. And usually if your waist is the smallest part of your body, you're highlighting your smallest part. It's also kind of comfy as well, just sort of having something there. Elasticated waistbands are amazing too, and you don't have to feel bad about wearing them. I've recently grabbed a great pair of pants from one of my favorite New Zealand designers. They're a tailored pant, but they're made out of a stretchy fabric, and they also have a elasticated waistband at the back. Now, these pants are amazing because they're tailored, they're structured, but they're super comfy because they hug my figure. These sorts of pants are amazing for curvy girls. They're forgiving, but yet they're tailored and will give you some shape. Speaking of elasticated waistbands, I have also styled some of my curvy girls in maternity wear. Now, maternity brands have really got their act together in the last few years, and they are doing amazing pants and skirts, and even some of the maternity jeans are incredible. So for me, it's not about thinking, well, my client isn't pregnant, so therefore we can't go into the maternity stores. It's about coming up with a look and an outfit that works and that's comfortable and it looks stylish. So don't rule out going to a maternity store and trying to find something there as well. Don't underestimate the power of accessories either. They are a really easy way to up the ante on a simple outfit. Things like scarves, chokers, statement necklaces, earrings, sunglasses, hats, you name it. Don't underestimate the power of good accessories. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed some of these plus size styling tips. And if you have any of your own, I would love to hear about them in the comments below. It'd be great if we could start a bit of a conversation and share some of our top tips on how some of you gorgeous curvy girls out there style your looks. If you enjoyed this video, I would love you to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye for now.